go!
Cuts out stressful meal planning and grocery store trips so you can enjoy cooking and get dinner on the table in about 30 minutes or less. Plus, they offer 25 plus recipes to choose from each week, from vegetarian meals, which I love, to craft burgers and extra special gourmet options.
Nice.
Yeah, going through that light. They were taking their sweet old time, though. What are you doing, Camry? The fuck are you doing?
Like great discounts for like 10 or 15 bucks for the day.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was that?
The bus.
Is that a bus?
Yeah, the bus was laying on the horn on the bike. I guess he ran the red light.
Oh, yeah.
And I think the bikes have their own light. I think.
So you said make a right on Constitution?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
What the hell is that?
Prius.
Oh, dude.
I couldn't even see his signal until he was in my lane.
Why the hell were you stopped there?
Telling you to go forward. Well, this is why you signal left to tell people that you're pulling out.
Exactly, he was just sitting there. I figured he was like staying there.
Okay.
Which one?
Left?
Yeah, left.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, okay, I caught up to
F-150 to my right here, they almost just rear-ended the shit. Alright, I'm gonna...
Oh, here, I'll let you in front.
Alright. You just talk.
The guy in front of me.
What is that guy doing?
The guy in front of me honked because this dude wanted to do an illegal U-turn.
Yeah, I saw that.
Alright, is this 17th here? Yeah.
Yeah, because otherwise we were getting on like 395.
Yeah, we don't want that.
And now you can get like a drive-by tour of the wharf.
What the hell is that guy as
You can see the market and stuff.
What is he doing?
save like $12 to park for the day. Take the train down for $7. No hassle. Don't have to worry about trying to find stuff down here and drive around for 30 minutes. Just grab an Uber or taxi and yeah.
What's going on?
They were yelling. Someone's car is yelling at him.
The light just turned green, relax.
I heard that, thought it was you.
No. It was like green for like 2 seconds. That was me.
Maniac. Yeah, I definitely heard that one. Okay. I don't know about that.
Like driving down the road.
Yo, what?
What the fuck are you doing?
I almost got rear-ended.
I'm pulling out now. I'm going to be sitting at the light. Alright, yep.
I'll pay the postage and send mail it out with the wind, 'cause I never could tell you goodbye. So shut me up, shut me up. You'll never hear from me again. My lips are sealed, lips are sealed, lips are sealed. Still got glue on your head. Shut me up.
Right now at rothys.com/TMGW. That's Rothys, ROTHYS.com/TMGW. Style and sustainability meet.
I wouldn't have known he was calling. I felt it vibrate in my purse.
Wasn't it gonna be fun? And wasn't it gonna be
For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest.